Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese at home. First, gather your ingredients like fresh milk and a starter culture. You'll also need a few basic tools, such as a large pot, a thermometer, and cheesecloth. Sanitize everything thoroughly before you begin to ensure a clean and safe cheesemaking process. This initial preparation is crucial for successful results and delicious homemade cheese. Now, let's talk about the specific supplies you'll need. For most simple cheeses, you'll want a mesophilic starter culture, which helps create that classic tangy flavor. You'll also need rennet, usually liquid, to coagulate the milk. About 1/4 teaspoon per 2 gallons is a good starting point. Don't forget a good thermometer to accurately monitor milk temperatures throughout the process, as precision is key. The actual cheesemaking process begins by gently heating your 2 gallons of milk to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Once at temperature, stir in your starter culture, allowing it to hydrate for a few minutes. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of liquid rennet, mixing it in thoroughly. Then, let the milk sit undisturbed for about 45 minutes. During this time, it will transform into a firm, gelatinous curd, ready for the next step. After the curd has set, carefully cut it into 1/2-inch cubes. Slowly increase the temperature to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring gently for about 20 minutes to firm up the curds. Then, drain the curds through cheesecloth, separating them from the whey. Gather the cheesecloth and press the curds under a weight for several hours, or even overnight, to remove excess moisture and form your cheese. And speaking of quality, if you're looking for truly great socks, check the description for a link to Darn Tough, plus other deals. Finally, salt your cheese to taste and enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.